Rates are incredibly low right now, mortgage rates that is, and we have seen quite a few ups and downs this year. We've also seen a lot of people talking about the Fed starting to taper the purchase of mortgage-backed securities, which is why rates are so low right now. So I think it may be a pretty good time to lock. So July 2021 could very well be one of the last times we see rates this low. I certainly didn't think that back in January or February we'd be seeing rates this low this summer, which is incredible. Great time for you to lock in. How you can do that, you go to freshhomeloan.com/refinancing, and we have this form you can fill out. Got this QR code here too you can scan. Many ways to do it. I am a California independent mortgage broker, and we will have premium pricing for you, and we're getting loans done like in 10 days, a lot of them, even with appraisals right now. It's pretty crazy. The market's really opened up for us. So contact us. Let's talk about what's going on as far as the Feds and rates, though, and why I think we're going to see, and some other industry people for that matter, I think we're going to see higher rates coming this fall. Now, the reason mortgage rates are so low, of course, are because of COVID-19 and the global pandemic, and basically to keep the economy going in any way, shape, or form. We did see the Feds buying billions of mortgage-backed securities, stimulating the housing economy for sure. You can read all about it in my latest book, as a matter of fact, now on Amazon.com. Home Buying in the Global Pandemic. So check it out. Will there be more plugs in this video? I don't. So we're all seeing the masks come off, the movie theaters open, right? The baseball parks fill up, which is great, obviously, awesome, thank goodness. Also recently, Federal Reserve Bank President the Dallas Federal Reserve Bank President, Robert Kaplan said, better sooner than later to begin with regards to tapering mortgage-backed securities. Jim Kramer has even made reference several times now to the Fed's tapering MBS securities. And Barry Habib, the CEO of MBS Highway, someone highly revered in the mortgage brokerage circle, I think he should run for president myself, has made mention that this is a possibility, and that's where I hold a lot of weight as well, and it just kind of makes sense. But we are seeing many people make these predictions and tell us it's needed within the Federal Reserve. So let's just say buckle up. I think it's coming. And once it's here, it's too late. We have seen similar rate increases happen even this year, as a matter of fact. I think this time, though, once they stop pumping the money into the mortgage-backed securities, then that's it. And we're moving into a different time and place, which we really need to do as a country and a world. So that's what we have today. Give me a call. I am here to help you. Like I say, freshhomeloan.com/refinancing. Get a quote, no hassle, no credit report needed, etc. We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to get my free book, Home Buying in the Global Pandemic.com. Talk to you later.
Where were you when the pandemic hit? When interest rates fell through the floor and home prices skyrocketed? How are you going to navigate this new real estate market? Fortunately, there's help. Home Buying in a Global Pandemic, a book by Garrick Werdmuller, President and CEO of Fresh Home Loan, Inc. Learn why the market is so volatile. Learn what all your options are for your home loan. Learn the best strategies for working with real estate agents and sellers.
Now, it's no secret that the housing markets have gone nuts since the pandemic hit, and there is a lot you need to know, and things move fast if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance. I'm Garrick Werdmuller, author of the book and president and CEO of Fresh Home Loan, Inc., and I hope this book helps guide you to success, and I wish you happy house hunting.
Home Buying and a Global Pandemic, how COVID-19 and shelter-in-place changed mortgage and real estate, and how you can prepare. Get a complimentary copy at homebuyingandaglobalpandemic.com.